Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll share our experience staying at the Venetian Suite in Las Vegas. We hope you'll enjoy watching our video. To start with, the Venetian resort is stunningly beautiful, where they have recreated Venice in Las Vegas. USA Today calls it the most romantic hotel in Las Vegas, and I can't agree more. The interesting thing is every room in the hotel is a suite, which is not same with other hotels in Las Vegas. We stayed in the luxury king suite. The room was beautiful with a vintage touch to it. The bathroom was very beautiful and super spacious. It had a Roman tub and a separate glass enclosed shower and a TV. Also, you will find a makeup mirror and vanity. The suite comes with one pillow-top king bed and a sunken living room, which is few steps down that actually enhances the room's look. For any Bridgerton fans here, to me this room gave major Bridgerton vibes. Or maybe it's just because we binged watched it a week before. Talking about the room price, in Las Vegas in general, rooms are really expensive on Fridays and Saturdays compared to Sundays and Mondays, so you can plan your trip accordingly. Also, on long weekends, prices are expensive compared to normal weekends. Our room had partial strip view, for which we paid extra, and it was definitely worth it. Overall, the room was good, but we felt at this price there are definitely better options on the Las Vegas Strip. Some of our recommendations based on our prior stays on Las Vegas Strip would be number 3, Bellagio Fountain Facing Suite, number 2, Wynn Resort King Room, and number 1 would definitely be Cosmopolitan Suite with a strip view. According to us, these 3 are definitely better than Venetian, almost at the same price. And this is definitely the fun part of any stay. In this video, I also thought to cover some of the must-do things at Venetian. The top recommendation on our list will definitely be gondola ride, which is simply magical and such an amazing experience. The next recommendation would be just strolling inside the resort. It is so beautiful and mesmerizing. Another great recommendation would be Grand Lux Cafe. This cafe is open 24/7 with great food options, and it is just facing casino, so you can play and eat or vice versa. The final recommendation would be the Grand Canal shops, where you'll find great options for restaurants and shopping. Apart from that, it is simply magical to just stand and watch. And now is the time to wrap up this video. We hope that you enjoyed watching it. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell notification icon. Also, follow us on Instagram. I have also added the link to the same in description. Also, if you didn't check it yet, check out our videos on top 10 late night eats on Las Vegas Strip under $20 and top 10 things to do in Las Vegas. Link is in description.